Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I got this look, just keep on watching. Starting off, I'm taking the OMFG eyeshadow palette by Chi Chi and using this bright yellow shade and applying it as my transition color. These eyeshadows are very pigmented, so I like to take my time building up the product. What also helps for me when creating a sunset look is starting from the lightest shade and working your way down to the darkest shade. Now taking this bright orange shade, I'm applying it just underneath the yellow. By the way, all the products I've used in this video will be listed in the description box below. Then I'm going to take the yellow shade again and blend the orange shade out. Taking the Diva Eyeshadow Palette by Chi Chi, I'm applying this warm orange shade just underneath that bright yellow shade. Then I'm going in with that bright yellow shade and blending everything out. If you end up following this look or recreating it, make sure to comment below and let me know how it goes. Now grabbing the Morphe 35T palette, taking this burnt brown shade, I'm using my flat brush to apply that to my lid. I keep going back in with the colours just so this looks as blended as possible. And then I'm just reapplying that burnt orange shade. And then I'm taking that bright yellow shade to finish it off. Now I'm going to be using the Chi Chi lipstick in the shade Shopaholic. Then I'm going to go over with the matte liquid lipstick by Chi Chi in the shade Talk to the Hand. For liner, I'm using Stila in the shade Black. I'm sorry guys, but I had to apply my liner and lashes off camera because I'm in a rush. But the mascara I'm using is by Maybelline New York, the Falsies Push Up Drama in the shade Black. My lashes are by Model Rock and they are in the style Stila Rose. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned if you're new. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed and comment any video suggestions below.